what everybody should know about how to confront wellness head on with natural solutions this sniffle season. Hi, I'm Leigh Skead, your healthy lifestyle and self-love coach. Today, we discover how to support, comfort, and protect you and your family this sniffle season with the power of doTERRA On Guard and Easy Air essential oil blends. Firstly, I'll share Sarah's story and how she stayed healthy with On Guard. So Sarah is a school teacher and a mum of two, and with her busy schedule and constant exposure to germs, Sarah was always on the lookout for natural ways to boost her family's immune system. She heard about doTERRA's On Guard blend and decided to incorporate it in her daily routine, health routine, life routine. So using On Guard for immunity, Sarah started diffusing On Guard in her home, especially during the cold and flu season. And she added a couple of drops of On Guard to a carrier oil and applied these to the bottom of her children's feet and her own before school. And this protective blend of wild orange, clove, cinnamon, eucalyptus, and rosemary created a shield that helped her family stay healthy and resilient. And the results? Sarah noticed that her family experienced fewer sick days. And when they did catch a bug, the symptoms were milder and the recovery was faster. So On Guard became a staple in her home, giving her peace of mind and a proactive way to support her family's health. Next is David's story and how he eased seasonal discomfort with Easy Air. So David is a fitness enthusiast who loves running outdoors. However, during certain seasons, he struggled with respiratory discomfort that made his runs less enjoyable. A friend recommended doTERRA's Easy Air blend, known for its ability to support respiratory health. Using Easy Air for respiratory support, David began diffusing Easy Air in his bedroom at night, and he applied a drop to his chest before heading out for his morning runs. And the blend of eucalyptus and peppermint, lemon, tea tree, and cardamom provided a refreshing and invigorating aroma that helped clear his airways and support easier breathing. So the result, David found that his respiratory discomfort was significantly reduced, allowing him to enjoy his runs without the usual seasonal challenges and struggle. The soothing effects of Easy Air helped him maintain his active lifestyle and breathe easier throughout the whole year. Next is Sophia's story, and she reduced the duration of seasonal illness by combining the forces of On Guard and Easy Air. Sophia's a busy marketing professional who felt run down during the peak of the cold season. And determined to find a natural solution, she started using both On Guard and Easy Air. Her routine? She diffused On Guard in her home office to boost her immune system and applied Easy Air to her chest and her back before bed to support her respiratory health. She also added a drop of On Guard to her water to boost for an extra immune boost. Pretty awesome results, because when Sophia felt the onset of seasonal illness, she found that her symptoms were less severe and the duration of her illness was shorter by using the On Guard and the Easy Air together. This enabled her to maintain her health and enjoy energy levels even during the busiest times of year. So these stories highlight the versatile benefits of doTERRA's On Guard and Easy Air essential oil blends. So whether you're looking to boost your immune system or ease respiratory discomfort, these blends offer natural solutions to keep you and your family healthy. On Guard essential oil blend strengthens the immune system, which governs the ability to defend against attacks from both physical and negative energies. Emotionally, On Guard essential oil blend aids us to ward off energetic parasites, domineering personalities, and other negative influences. On Guard is incredibly helpful for strengthening the inner self, along with the inner resolve to stand up for oneself and live in integrity, helping to strengthen our ability to say no and maintain healthy boundaries. Emotionally, Easy Air addresses our ability to let go of grief and pain. Individuals in need of this blend struggle to breathe and literally feel suffocated by sadness. The lungs and the air passages become constricted, preventing air and emotion from releasing. The root of this condition is feeling unloved, grieving the love they never received. Easy Air encourages the release of grief and sadness and to receive genuine love and healing. Easy Air supports one's relationship with spirit and deepens one's connection to life. It invites us to release, breathe out, and to receive, to breathe in. Easy Air teaches us to embrace life through breath and encourages us to be fully open. Experience the powerful benefits of On Guard and Easy Air and try them today and take control of your health naturally. Let us know if you want more information. We can't cover everything here, as it would take several volumes, and naturally, you probably have further questions. And we'd be glad to send you a copy of the ebook at no charge, no obligation. Just comment below or message us. And enjoy winter.